Linking Google Ads to Google Analytics 4 is a straightforward process that can help you track the performance of your ad campaigns and make data-driven decisions. To get started, you will need a Google Ads account and a Google Analytics 4 property. First, sign in to your Google Analytics 4 account and navigate to the admin section. From there, click on Data Streams and then select the data stream you want to link with Google Ads. Next, click on the Connect button next to Google Ads and select your Google Ads account from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple Google Ads accounts, choose the one you want to link. After selecting your Google Ads account, you will be asked to authorize the connection. Click on the Authorize button to proceed. This will allow Google Analytics 4 to access your Google Ads data. Once the connection is established, you will see your Google Ads account listed under the Linked Accounts section. You can then import your Google Ads cost data into Google Analytics 4, which will allow you to see the cost of your ad campaigns alongside your website data. To import your cost data, navigate to the Settings section of your Google Analytics 4 property and click on Advertiser Settings. From there, click on the Import Google Ads Cost Data toggle switch to enable it. With your Google Ads account linked to Google Analytics 4, you can now track the performance of your ad campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategy. This integration allows you to see which ad campaigns are driving the most conversions, which keywords are performing well, and where you can improve your return on ad spend. By following these steps, you can easily link your Google Ads account to Google Analytics 4 and start tracking the performance of your ad campaigns. This will help you make the most of your marketing budget and drive more conversions for your business.